Here we go. Iceberg right ahead. Don't worry, guys. She can handle 4 compartments without sinking. Why is she still heading towards the iceberg? I don't know. Why is the bow dipping down? Oh, she ran out of power. Okay, she's sinking now. Grabe talaga yung pantano. Nakita mo to? Ano klase mo alam makakagat? Ha? Lama? She's taking on water. Meanwhile, the bridge area. Meanwhile, the Titanic.
Okay. Hindi ba effective yung afterbites dito? Yung tiny buds. Ito lang problema naman dito. Ang laki na niya. Sakto eh. Parang mga matinikat. Parang lang ako sinasakal dito. Parang choke nila.